Hey guys, my name is Incredible Joker. I'm gonna show you what I did with my Legos. First, what Joker is just relaxing with popcorn and hot cocoa. That's his TV, and that's his other stuff, and that's hot cocoa. That's from Lego City. This is just from my normal one, right here. And here it's just things that crunch together into yours. I was trying to sneak a it, punch Joker on the head. And those are just things that just shoot out. And this, oh, that was Daddy. And this is Joker right here. Popcorn and hot cocoa. I usually got tea or beer. It really is hot cocoa. Oh, that's the back of it. And this is his TV. And next thing is, wait, forgot the name, but next thing is a vehicle. All these guys are super villains. I mean, not all of them are super villains. Well, yeah, all of them are super villains. See, has a vehicle. That's a walkie-talkie, so she can talk to bad guys. The bad guys have it, but this is not holding it. Those are things that freeze. They turn and freeze. The kryptonite freezes. Right here, our kryptonite freezes. This is just a power line that, and then a super strong blue gun thing just shoots out of there super fast. Superheroes cannot run away from it. This thing. And this is, and this is something that just snaps together when the superhero doesn't know where it is, and it thinks it's for Superman's hands, but the superheroes want to try it. It just snaps together and really hurts their hand. And next is, this gun fought out. This is a hard one to explain, but right here, this is a shooter. See? And that's the thing that the shooter shoots out, fought out. And the back is really cool. It controls these 4 guns. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a thing that shoots out kryptonite spray. That just shoots out and grabs somebody's neck and just pulls them back in super hard. Oh, that's Sadie.
Come on, sweetie.
Oh. Well, put the shooter back in. And that is something, that grabber thing there shoots out in the superhero's neck, and then pull the back in really hard, it slams it into it. That's why this part is super strong. Nothing can break it. And it holds really bad. That part shoots out kryptonite spray. And here's the front. The front looks really cool because that's the steering. Because this is the steering wheel here that steers these guns around. See? One more. I'm doing it. Oh, I'm steering the wheel. And there we go, back there. That's better. And this is more kryptonite. And that part. And this is the part that we stand on because I tried to super ones out and it wasn't tall enough, so I got that. Sorry, I got distracted by Ready. That's part. Well, that's just more blue kryptonite. I know you've never heard of that, but wait. There, those two pieces are blue kryptonite. Oh, that's the thing that shoots out fire from both sides. That's crazy. And that's just, and these things here are lights that go very, very bright, and it makes the superheroes go blind. They're on both sides. There's 4 of them, see? 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And that's all of that. That's the one. I think you're gonna love this one. This is Yellow Submarine. He's very powerful. Well, took out his gun because there's all these guns on the top of here. I can turn it, see? I'm making it turn it. I got his gun here, so if he doesn't like it anymore, when he tries it, look, it just shoots it, and it destroys. But he has to promise that he doesn't like it because it really destroys it. Those things shoot up here in case the superhero stands there, because that's where we have to stand. Well, if you don't like any, if you don't like it anymore, that is a shooter, and before that shoots, it will shoot that, and that is the shoot, and this is crazy. When it shoots, it actually destroys it. The gun. When it shoots, it actually destroys this gun. And here is more shooters. That shoots and that gets destroyed, and that shoots up there. Where that purple thing gets destroyed, and that gun is the powerful because it just destroys all this. And that's it for this one. And that's maybe all the Legos I built. Ugh. I'm Incredible Joker. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Incredible Joker. Bye.